everyone, ladies and gentlemen, assalamualaikum. Madayaw ug maayong adlaw kaninyong tanan. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. First off, I'd like to thank Governor Gwendolyn Garcia sa imuhang imbitasyon sa ako ang mutambong sa imuhang birthday celebration today. Kay bao mo nga I have senior lady politicians who are helping me and who are very generous with their advice, especially about politics. And usually I call them Mommy. So I have Mommy Gov, that is Gov Gwen Garcia, and then I have a Mommy Senator, Mommy Sen, Lauren Legarda. She has helped me through the years. She's known me since my first term. I was Vice Mayor when she first gave advices to me about family, about how to navigate politics, about how to navigate senior male, dealing with senior male politicians. And then I have Mommy President, which is former President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. And of course, I have another senior lady senator, but I don't call her Mommy because I look up to Muramang Gudmig ka ng barkada lang, si Senator Amy Marcos. So I call her Yoch, kay pareho man ni baklaan. So I call her Yoch. And they have been very helpful to me, especially Governor Garcia. She has given me advice about politics, has asked me how I am doing, what you are going to do, and given me tips on how to navigate as well, especially local politics. So thank you. Thank you very much, Gov. Wala gyud ka magpugong sa imo pag-share. I know that you don't like sharing ang imuhang mga trade secrets, but with me, you've been very, very generous regarding your political advice. And daghan salamat ni ana. And of course, ang ako ang wishes kanimo mao ang mga wishes nga dili gyud mapalit og kwarta. One is good health and the other is happiness. I wish you prosperity of love, good health, and happiness. Happy birthday.
Garcia, hila gid ning gipanukaran